Good morning, internet. This is your Shadow Throttle. I'm going on a ride up once again, and this time also we are going with a group called as RTO. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm just crazy about these people. The group is really good. They always have fun with everyone and they enjoy the rides. Yes. Exciting thing is that today's ride is a very cool ride actually. It's almost going to be a 200 kilometers ride from Pune, and as always the tradition goes on. Riders will be joining us from Mumbai and Pune, many more. Almost we are like 10 riders from Pune and remaining are from Mumbai. So far it is very good. It's chilly morning. It's almost 5 in the morning. It's 5:05. I'm just leaving. We are going to be meeting up at a point called as HP Pump on the road to Chakan. So reveal time, big reveal time. We are going to Bhandardara. Yes, we are going to Bhandardara to see the fireflies. And today the date is almost like 23rd of May, and this ride is going to be a stay ride. So we will be going to Bhandardara and staying there today, having fun in the day and watching fireflies in the evening, night, and then tomorrow morning we will be back on the roads to coming back to Mumbai and Pune. So that's the summary of all. I slept well. I slept really well actually, because sleep is very important. Because in Gujarat ride I do remember we slept really good, and hotels everything were really nice. Thanks to RTO for that. They their choices for hotels and your stays and restaurants are really nice. Because see, unless you have good food and good things on the good food and good sleep, you will not be able to have fun, or you will not be able to even survive on the rides, on the long rides. So that's cool. And also I would like to tell you guys, join RTO if you have time, because they are going to plan really big and long rides in upcoming time. Actually, as per my knowledge, in August they are going to be to Ladakh for 14 days ride and the 7 days ride. Again they are going to Spiti also. I don't remember the dates, but yeah, if you buzz on the number, you will get the information. And second thing is that they are trying to do some kind of Nagaland Northeast type of ride, which is much more interesting, and I am very interested for that one also. Let's see if I will be able to join on that one, and I can join. And another thing is that in that ride almost we are going to enter in Burma in the sense like old people call it Burma. I do know the things like Burma, but yeah, new people call it Myanmar. So got the permissions. I think they are sorted with the permissions, and they are going to be entering Burma while going to this part, which is really interesting for me also. So let's see, follow that.
Guys, yay! Let's go. We have अब अपने भाई की गाड़ी. ये जो है ना माल मसाला है, ये यूके का माल मसाला बहुत महंगा होता है. Let's do this as always. As always. अरे we have as always alien taken 390 Meteor. ये उत्कर्ष का गाड़ी, ये TRK 502 और ये Hunter 1 टीम लगता है रे मेरे को बीच ये अपने गाइड है एज ऑलवेज. गाइड
हूँ मैं.
हाँ,
मैं रेगुलर जाता हूँ. किसको मेरे से कांटेक्ट करना है तो प्लीज़ आई गिव यू माय नंबर बिलो.
यस, यहाँ पे आपको नंबर फ्लैश होता हो. Alright everyone, Time is almost 6:37. We leave in 5 minutes and fun on the road. See. It's almost 30 minutes we started from our meetup point, and our breakfast point is almost 61 kilometers from here almost. So it's 1 hour and 3 minutes from here. We got too much traffic in Chakan. Yeah, so far so good. Everything looks good on the roads. Temperature is also very nice. Alright everyone, we had a breakfast. हमें के गाड़ी में थोड़ा सा इशू हो रहा है. हमें bike is giving some issue, but it's okay, we can figure out. Tiger, Triumph wale people. I don't know what is the problem in that. Actually, it's happening like it is showing engine light, and it says that check the engine light. Sorry, check manual. Yes, ride update guys. Ride update. Ride update. We are
at Alefata.
Yes, we are at Alefata waiting for
Mumbai riders.
Yes.
They have left before us, but they are
Behind
reaching
us.
Later.
Yes, they are behind us still. It's very bad, but it's okay. हमें बहुत सारी दिक्कतें आई थी. एक गाड़ी बंद पड़ा था, फिर भी हम टाइम पे आ गए. मुंबई वालों, पुनेरी पल्टन इज ऑलवेज द बेस्ट. चलो कंटेंट. arigato. नची. गुजराती.
જોઈએ છે.
Well, everyone, we are almost 7.5 kilometers to turn left towards Bhandardara. Introducing you, Utkarsh Dada, Indori, full on Bhayankar. So our eyes will be so much tired that we will not be able to ride till the end. So इसको जाने देते हैं. जाओ, बहुत गड़बड़ है इनको. ऐसे तो मैं आके पीछे से आपको ओवरटेक करूँगा ही. आपको ही जाने की गड़बड़ है. अभी क्या करें, आपको जाना ही है तो जाओ. ठीक है. बोला कि भंडारदरा. So just a fellow travelers on the road. They were asking about where we are going, because it's a convoy is very big, right? Convoy is almost of 25 people on the highway, and so many bikes on the road, and they were like, oh my god, what's going on. We are almost 600 meters away from the left turn. We just took a small detour for fuel up. Alright, we are almost 44 kilometers away from our resort for today in Bhandardara. So yeah, I felt like I came on this road before also. Akshay is saying road is very nice. You know, we like the trees and everything, so we are happy for that. Alright everyone, ride update. We are almost 33 kilometers away from our destination, the resort. We are taking a water break here. Looks fun. पॅराडाईज रिट्रीटला कसं जायचं? नाही गाडी नाही द्यावी तरी. वी आर गोइंग टू सदर्न व्हॅली.
See you soon.
सी यू सून. I thought we are on the wrong directions, but we are on correct. Yes. इथे शून्य रेंज आहे, शून्य. अच्छा, इकडच्या बाजूला हाडीच चंद्र. इथं AMK नावाचं काहीतरी सगळ्यात अवघड आहे. अच्छा, खूप अवघड आहे म्हणजे हार्डनेस म्हणजे काय म्हणतात त्याला, लेवल ऑफ टफनेस इज व्हेरी हाय. सो तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट करा आणि तुम्ही बघून घ्या इंटरनेटवरती. थँक्यू सो मच. इथे इंटरनेट नाही आहे. सो ओके, महाराष्ट्रातला सगळ्यात अवघड ट्रेक इज AMK. नाईस. वेल वी हॅव शून्य नॉलेज अबाउट ट्रेकिंग. आय नो दॅट. शाळेत शिकलेलं होते कळसुबाई. हे त्याचं नाव हे नव्हतं ना पण. हां, असं काहीतरी नाव होतं. कडे नाही, तुमचं तुम्ही इंटरनेटवर बघून घ्या. मी एवढं टाकणार नाही आहे व्हिडिओमध्ये डिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके, वी आर ॲट चंदन व्हॅली. अँड चंदन व्हॅलीमध्ये आम्ही चंदन व्हॅलीचं सनसेट बघायला, विच इज क्रेझी. आम्ही बाईक्स मागं पार्क केलं. हेलो गाइस, हेलो टू ब्लॉग एंड एवरीवन. हेलो, हाय. यहाँ पे जंगल में ट्रेकिंग कर रहे. वी आर ट्रेकिंग समांतर जमिनावरती चालत आहे, स्ट्रेट जमीनवर. देयर इज नथिंग न्यू. समर बिहाइंड, समर आहे. और ही कॅप्टन इज हियर. येस. गुड मॉर्निंग इंटरनेट. दिस इज युअर शॅडो थ्रोटल. जिकडे आम्ही हरवलो पण परत कळालं की आम्ही बरोबर होतो, बाकीचे हरवले. वेल वेल वेल, दॅट्स द न्यूज. We are in somewhere between walking to the sunset point, but you know, this place looks give me that reminder of Jurassic Park, where you have long barren lands with some crops, and you will suddenly see a dinosaur behind you and you're running like just got that kind of feel. Jurassic Park on the island, that one. See, very long and barren land. Samadika, how you feeling? Oh my god. But
This is
place
19,000
good.
feet above sea level.
Oh my god, it's very tall. Very tall.
I can touch the God now and God can touch me too.
और हम आ गए हैं इधर.
Yes, हम आ गए.
चांदन वैली की बाजू वाली वैली है.
ये चंदन वैली के बाजू है. और एक सब आजू-बाजू के पहाड़. There is still reeling going on that side also. Like you can walk till that point, and you can from there you can see.
पोर्ट्रेट में लूंगा. पोर्ट्रेट.
This looks cool. Hi. See this way. ऑफिस के दुख ही सुख नहीं है ऑफिस में. तो ऑफिस के दुख बांटने के बाद फाइनली हम जा रहे हैं बैक टू आवर बाइक्स. विल हैव सम फूड माँ शक्ति, शक्ति दे माँ, माँ शक्ति, शक्ति दे माँ।
क्या दोस्तों, आपको तो मज़ा ही आ जाएगा। पता नहीं मैं कुछ दिख रहा हूँ या नहीं। आई एम फीलिंग लाइक आई एम नॉट इवन विजिबल, बट यस, वी आर ट्राइंग टू स्पॉट द, वी आर ट्राइंग टू स्पॉट द जुगनूज on the way back to resort. Let's see.
I'm trying different ND filters. I'm thinking that ND32 is the best one while riding on the summer afternoons. So this is ND32. I'll keep this one only. This one only. This one. Let's see.
Alright everyone, it's almost 10:30. We are leaving from here. We've been to this hotel. It's really nice. होटल का नाम है Paradise Retreat. Yes, Paradise Retreat from Bhandardara. So we're leaving now. In between we will stop for a lunch. Let's go. So yes, we are saying bye bye to this hotel. वीरे को अगली बार मिलेंगे आके अपने दोस्त को. अबे तू कहाँ गया? इधर ही है. लेफ्ट गया. लेफ्ट. चलो. Bye bye Bhandardara. I will come back soon. Okay, my camera is little. Wow. So guys, this is a patch in between from Bhandardara to Sangamner, but it's very lovely and twisties are very nice. You feel fun while riding here. Like you can lean a bit and also you can have the scenic view of like good mountains and everything. ये मेरे सामने अभी उत्कर्ष चला रहे. हाथ कर भाई. उत्कर्ष. जोना भी है intercompet, but he is little away. He is not in spotlight of mine.
धीरे से, क्योंकि मैं 100 से लगभग 20 पे आ गया. तो यहाँ से वो ये इतने में रोड जितने ही इस पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोल रहा.
भाई ने कंटेंट दे दिया है. भाई का कंटेंट जाएगा यूट्यूब. और वी आर जस्ट 4 kilometers away from Sangamner. We'll be reaching Sangamner and we'll be filling up our tanks. So अच्छा है, so far so good. We left at 10:30 but came really long. Good stretch. I mean it was a really good stretch. भैया जी हमारे लंच की व्यवस्था करते हुए. लंच का लोकेशन मिल नहीं रहा है. मिल रहा है. एक्सपीडिशन. Alright everyone, we had a lot of food and really good food. I had a pitla bakri and everybody had some other things. I mean chicken and everything. So that's the restaurant. I don't know, you can see, yeah, the Tiranga. So we had a food and after that we'll leave now. Nashik Phata is almost 60 kilometers from here and my house is almost 70 kilometers from here. So pretty much it. आ गया पीछे गया थोड़ा. ये
All right everyone, thank you so much for watching the vlog till here. Sorry ने disturb किया मेरे को. Anyways, thank you so much everyone for watching the vlog till here. And okay, thank you so much everyone for watching the vlog till here. We'll soon meet with you all guys in new video, in new RTO ride. Yay! Had fun. Chalo, bye bye. Enjoy. Happy riding.